Hello, everybody. Why there's a need for appointment or designation letter as pollution control officer in an establishment? The appointment of a pollution control officer is a mandatory regulatory requirement in the Philippines, in our country, under DENR Administrative Order 2014-02, or the revised guidelines for the PCO accreditation. So, how to prepare an appointment or designation letter as pollution control officer? I want to show a sample of an appointment or designation letter, which can be our reference in preparing such appointment letter or designation letter. So, start with the company letterhead. And here we have the date. So for example, June 20, 2025. And this appointment letter is addressed to the EMB Regional Director. So for example, Honorable Robert Angelo Metin, the Regional Director of EMB Region 4A. And his office address, 4th floor, PITX, Tower 2, Barangay Tambo, Parañaque City. Some of appointment or designation letter are directly addressed to the appointed or designated pollution control officer. But we can use this template to address the appointment letter to the regional director of EMB regional office. So subject is appointment letter or designation letter as pollution control officer. And then, dear Director Metin, warm greetings. We would like to appoint, so we will provide the name of the pollution control officer duly appointed. So for example, Juan de la Cruz as the pollution control officer of, here, the name of establishment. So for example, ABC Company Inc. located at, so we provide the location. For example, MP Casanova Street, Barangay Tambo, Lipa City, Batangas. Pursuant to the requirements of DNR Administrative Order 2014-02, and perform the duties and responsibilities but not limited to the following. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So like ensure updated permits and certificates issued by concerned regulatory agency, submit on-time environmental reports, monitor activities, and recommend appropriate control measures to protect the environment, implement environmental programs, project activities in support to local and international events, and attend meetings or seminars continuing professional development. And here we have a statement like he will perform the above mentioned function and report to the undersigned as immediate supervisor. Thank you very much. Sincerely yours. And here we need to provide the name of the managing head, the highest executive officer of the establishment, the authority to appoint or designate pollution control officer. So for example, Mr. Peter S. Pan, the managing head, or let's say the president of the company. and then we can provide date signed. So for example, June 20, 2025. And here we need to conform to this appointment or designation as PCO. So we can indicate the name Mr. Juan de la Cruz. The, for example, a branch manager, at the same time the pollution control officer. Date signed June 20, 2025. So this is the sample of appointment letter. In summary, it is addressed to the regional director, and this is only a reference, not a prescribed template. We need to specify clearly the name of the PCO and the name of the establishment and location. And of course, the signature of the authority, the managing head of the establishment. So I hope you have learned something about how to prepare an appointment letter or designation letter as pollution control officer. Thank you very much, everyone. And if you want to know more about preparing environmental requirements on how to uh, comply with all the necessary requirements for PCO accreditation, for the requirements of environmental applications, please subscribe to this channel. Please follow. Please like this video. Please share this video. Thank you very much, everyone. Maraming salamat and God bless us all.